What? You don't want what? To have children? Are you crazy? All right, here we are, honey. You said you wanted to come to this party. Well, here we are.
Oh, come on. I know you also wanted to be here. Don't lie.
Yes, I also wanted to meet our friends again. We haven't seen them since college. But I was not sure about it. You know the reason.
I know. But relax. I'm sure everything is gonna be fine. Look, there's Mitchell.
Ted, Mona? Wow, you look amazing. Long time no see you. It's been 7 years? Wow, that's a lot of time. Yeah, hello, Mitch. How have you been? I was told you got married. Is that true? Yes, it is. I am happily married to a wonderful woman. Her name is Kathy. She's over there talking with Stephanie. Do you remember her? Oh, yeah, Stephanie. She was one of the best students in the class. I heard she's working for an important company now. She's making a lot of money. Good for her. Yeah, sure she is. But she hasn't gotten married yet. She was dating this guy. I don't remember his name. I think it's Mark. They were together for about 4 years. No wedding, no children. I'm sure he got bored of her and left her. Really? Oh, I see. Well, but she's doing very well in her professional career. We should be proud of that. Yeah, sure. But she's almost 35 years old. I mean, I know she's successful in her work and career, but she still hasn't been able to start a family. And I don't think she'll make it if she continues with that attitude. She just keeps working and working. Anyway, what about you? I don't know what's going on in your lives. You used to be best friends at college, and then you became a couple. What's new? Us? Well, nothing. Just working and traveling. We love traveling. Last year we went to Europe, and this year we're planning to travel to Japan. We have always wanted to visit that country. Oh, that's great. Good for you. Traveling is one of the best things in life. But is that all? I mean, any news? Well, Mona finished her doctorate and now works teaching at a private university in the north of the country. She's doing very well. Her students adore her, and that's obvious. She's the best professor. Oh, that's good. Congratulations, Mona.
Thank you, Mitchell. And your wife is so beautiful. Congratulations.
I know. Did you know we already have 2 children? We didn't want to wait. You know, we don't get younger. And speaking of which, what about you? Are you married yet? Do you have children? No, no, we don't have any children. I see. But you're married. Hey, you didn't invite me to the party. That's not good, guys. No, we haven't gotten married yet. Okay. Is there a problem? I mean, it's not that I want to interfere in your life, but it's strange that at your age, You still haven't married and have children. Well, it's simple. We just don't want to. What? You don't want what? To have children? Are you crazy? Yeah, we don't want to have children for the moment. And we are not planning to get married soon. We will do it someday, but we are in no hurry for that to happen. How's that possible? I mean, Mona, are you okay with that? I'm sure you want to get married. Women's dream is to get married and have children.
No, we are fine. I love traveling. I just want to travel around the world and work doing what I like most. I have goals to accomplish. So, we don't plan on having children yet.
Exactly, me too. I want to get a promotion and visit Asia. We are happy like this. We love each other, and that's enough. Wait, you're kidding, right? Everyone wants to get married and have children. Don't tell me you don't plan on starting a family. We already have a family, and it's beautiful. It's Mona, me, and Pancho, our cat. We are very happy together. And about kids, yeah, maybe in the future. We are not sure. But for now, we are fine. Life is beautiful. I don't believe you. Look, if it's about money, don't worry. I know many people are scared because they won't have enough money to have a child. But after you have a child, you'll find ways to earn more money and be more successful. The same thing happened to me. We're not worried about money. We earn good money. That's why we are always traveling around the world. Money is not the problem. There is actually no problem. It's a decision, and we are happy with that. If you say so, having children is one of the best things in life. It's a miracle. Having someone with your own blood, your genes, your traits, it's a feeling that can never be compared to anything in this world. It's the best thing that can happen to you in life. You may travel and have lots of promotions and money, but nothing compares to the joy of having your own child. You'll understand once you have your own child. How can you deny yourself the opportunity to experience such a wonderful moment? No, no, you are wrong. There is something not right here, but I'm sure you'll change your mind soon. Maybe. But for now, we are fine. Thanks for the advice. Seriously, guys, you should see a therapist. I know a good one, and it's not expensive. He can help you with your problem. And hey, look, isn't that Martha? You were dating her when we were at college. Remember? Martha? Oh, right. She's there. Don't even think about mentioning to my wife that Martha and I were college sweethearts. I'd better go where my wife is. See you guys around. Yeah, okay, see you around.
Bye, Mitch. Ah, I swear, if you didn't say something, I swear I was going to punch that idiot.
Yeah, I know. I also wanted to. Anyway, we'll be fine. It was just Mitchell. You know how he is. Come on, let's relax.
You're right. He was always an idiot. Let's dance a little. Mona, Ted, oh my god, it's you. You look amazing and so young.
Oh, hi, Skylar. Thank you. You look great too.
Thank you. I've heard you didn't get married and don't want to have children. What's going on, guys? You can tell me. Are you having relationship problems or financial problems? You know you can count on me. Having children is the best experience in life. How is it possible you?
Hey, Skylar. Sam is calling you. He wants to tell you something.
Yeah, he said he had something important to tell you. He's right over there. Look. Oh, really? All right. I'll go there. But don't leave. I'll be right back in a moment.
Okay, what are we doing here? These people don't support us. They don't respect our decision. These are not our friends. They never were. We were just college classmates. You're right.
Why don't we go to a nice restaurant and enjoy the rest of the evening together? Just you and me.
I love that idea. Let's go. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support.